Welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Lucy, I bought a shirt. The shirt won.
The shirt won?
Yes, I tried to wear it and it said no.
So it is the wrong size?
Exactly. I need store English before the shirt hurts my feelings again.
Today, we will learn simple English for returning or exchanging something. You will learn what to say at the counter, slowly and clearly.
My first try is, I want return this.
Good meaning. In English, we need to after want. You can say, I want to return this, but at a store, this sounds warmer. I would like to return this.
I would like to return this.
I would like to is polite and very useful in shops.
It sounds fancy, but not too fancy.
Exactly. Clear and polite.
Can I say I want to return this?
Yes, it is correct. I would like to return. This is a little softer.
Softer. Like a sweater that fits.
Nice recovery. Now tell the reason.
It too small for me.
Add the small verb is. It is too small for me.
It is too small for me.
Too small means the size is not big enough.
Very true. My arms were not invited.
Then the shirt is too small.
What if it is big?
It is too big for me.
It is too big for me.
Great. You can change small to big, long, or tight.
Tight means it feels too close to my body?
Yes, tight means there is not enough space.
The shirt was very tight, emotionally and physically.
Then we definitely need this lesson. Sometimes you do not want money back. You want a different size.
Exchange?
Yes, return means give it back. Exchange means change it for another one. Can I exchange it for a larger size?
Can I exchange it for a larger size?
Larger means bigger.
So, not return money, just another size.
Exactly. That is the difference.
In my first language, we might use one simple shop word for both.
That happens. In English, return and exchange are different.
Okay, return money, exchange size.
Very clear. Now, stores often ask about one small paper.
I have receipt.
There it is, the little word.
I know, a receipt.
I have a receipt.
I have a receipt.
A receipt is the paper or email that shows you bought something.
What if I don't know if they need it?
Do I need the receipt?
Do I need the receipt?
That question is simple and useful.
Can I ask, do you need my receipt?
People may understand, but do I need the receipt? Sounds more natural from the customer.
Customer, that is me, the shirt victim.
Yes, the brave customer. One more useful detail is about the tag.
The tag is the little thing with the price?
Yes, or the brand and size. If it is still on the shirt, say this. The tag is still on it.
The tag is still on it.
This helps because many stores check the tag.
Good. The shirt still has its little passport.
A very fashionable passport. Now let's hear a real store conversation.
Hi, I would like to return this.
Sure. Is there a problem with it?
It is too small for me.
Would you like a refund or an exchange?
Can I exchange it for a larger size?
Of course. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I have a receipt. The tag is still on it.
Great. I can help you with that. Nice. One new sentence there was I can help you with that.
That is what the worker might say?
Exactly. It is good listening practice.
I like when the worker says helpful sentences.
Me too. Now let's practice out loud. Benji, this is for you and for everyone listening.
Everyone listening, say this with me. I would like to return this. It is too small for me. Can I exchange it for a larger size? Do I need the receipt? The tag is still on it.
Good. Now let's switch. Change the reason. Start with, it is too blank for me. You can say, it is too small for me, or it is too big for me.
Everyone listening, make your own reason now.
Nice. Now let's switch again. Choose return or exchange. You can say, I would like to return this. Or you can ask, can I exchange it for a larger size?
Everyone listening, say the one you need now.
Today we made store English simple.
I can say the problem, ask about the receipt, and ask for another size.
Exactly. Before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. What is harder for you, returning something or asking for a different size?
Tell us in the comments. I need emotional support from other shirt people.
We would love to read them and cheer for you. Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.